Welcome to the Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about heart-healthy foods. What you eat directly influences the health of your heart, and incorporating a few heart-healthy foods into your diet is key to providing it with the nutrients that it needs.
Top heart-healthy foods. Oats. Rich in fiber and full of health benefits. Oats are an excellent addition to cardiac diet.
Salmon. Full of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, omega-3 fatty acids can relieve inflammation, decrease triglyceride levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of stroke.
Walnuts. Walnuts pack in quite a bit of manganese, dietary fiber, and copper. They reduce bad LDL cholesterol, help improve blood vessel function, decrease certain markers of inflammation, and reduce oxidative stress.
Avocado. The avocado is an excellent source of heart-healthy fats, plus other important nutrients like potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are brimming with heart-healthy antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and prevent disease.
For more information about the Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.